Hello everybody, I'm back today. Today I opened something else. It's no more cookies today. I got a bag of nuts. This is a walnuts in South Walnuts. So, you see, this is 3 pounds. I bought from a wholesale store. So this is a non-GMO Project VERIFIED, non-GMO Project.org. The next weight is 48 ounces. That's 3 pounds or 1.36 kilograms. And here they say it's rolled in the USA, factory certified. California walnuts. That's from California. The here say contains approximately 12 cups. I'm talking about nutrition facts. Nutrition facts about 48 servings per container. Serving size is 1 ounce. It's 28 grams or about 1/4 cup. The amount per serving is 190 calories. Let's see what they have in here. They have total fat 18 grams at 23%, and that's the 23% of total fat. They have 8% saturated fat 1.5 grams, and transaction fat 0 gram. Polyunsaturated fat is 13 grams. Monounsaturated fat is 2.5 grams. Cholesterol is 0 milligram, 0%, and no sodium. And 1% of total carbohydrates is 4 grams. In that total carbohydrate, they have 2 grams of dietary fiber. It's just 7%. Also, they have total sugars. Less than 1 grams. And include added sugar, no, is 0 grams, 0%. Protein is 4 grams. Vitamin D, no. Calcium is 2%, 30 milligrams. Iron is 0.8 milligrams, that's 4%. Potassium, 130 milligrams, 2%. Ingredients, they have walnuts, contains walnuts. Products of the USA. And yeah, they have stuff for you. They have natural shelled walnuts. Also, they have recipe for you. They have ingredients and direction too. Okay, let me open. Probably I'm gonna come back later, but now let me go open inside because I know some of you want to see inside rather than read the stuff. Quality you deserve. 100% guarantee. I'm so confident you will be delighted with your member marks purchase that's free from us to refund or replace any item you find unsatisfactory. We aim to delight all our members and would love to hear about your desserts. Okay, here. Oh no, it's dropped on my laptop. Okay, mình ướp. I think you put these nuts in the milk and cereal is much better. You see, this is the walnuts. I have never seen a tree, so I don't know. It's taste. They have some kind of taste look similar to coconut. I mean dry coconut. Yummy. I think I add almost 10 of them already. I think so. Let's see what they said here. Salt walnuts are a natural and delicious addition to your diet. Our walnuts are certain to add that flavorful crunch to your favorite recipes. For a tasty and easy start to your day, add chopped walnuts to your yogurt or cereal. Dress up your favorite salads with a sprinkling of walnuts. Test them on the go as as a convenient natural snack, or add to your own homemade trail mix. Suggested usage. Number tip: remove the walnuts from package and place in a microwave stuffed dish. Warm for 1 minute, and let start for less than 20 seconds. Oops, I don't know. I add on all them already. Ah. They suggest you put in the microwave for 1 minute and it's 20 minutes seconds, so I add all them. I think you can add it. Okay. Half this one I am okay. My stomach's okay. Well, plan this recipe increases 3 cups septic flour, 1/3 cup butter, half teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup packed light brown sugar, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla, half teaspoon salt, 1½ cup chocolate chips, 1 cup walnuts chopped, 1 egg. Direction: preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit degrees. Add the septic flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt together and sift. Add walnuts and chocolate chips and mix together. Melt butter in a pan on the stove top. Remove from heat and stir the sugar. Allow to cool. Number 4. Stir in vanilla and flour mixture gradually. Mix well. Number 5. Spread in greased 9 by 2 inches pan. Bake in 250 Fahrenheit degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Allow to cool and cut into balls. Okay, I hope I can no problem with my belly. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.